The Mi 6X smartphone has been launched by Xiaomi in China. It's the second smartphone by the company to come pre-installed with the new Xiao AI. The reason it's so relevant to India is because the phone is expected to come to our shores as the Mi A2, that too with stock Android. Sounds interesting? Here's what you need to know. The highlight of the Xiaomi Mi 6X are the cameras, which feature AI integration for improved photos. The Mi 6X selfie camera has a 20 megapixel sensor and soft LED flash. On the back is dual camera setup with 12 megapixel primary sensor with f1.7 aperture and 1.25 micron pixels, and a 20 megapixel secondary sensor with the same aperture but 1 micron pixel size. The rear camera setup is accompanied by face detection, autofocus and dual tone LED flash. On both the back and front, there is AI scene recognition for better colors in the photos, as well as portrait mode. Other AI-based features in the phone include AI background bokeh, AI Smart Beauty 4.0, AI currency conversion, etc. The Mi 6X also has AI-powered translation and can convert text from Chinese language to English, French, German, Spanish, Japanese, Korean and Indian languages. The handset also supports face unlock functionality along with the fingerprint sensor on the back. The new Xiaomi Mi 6X has a 5.99-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezels on the sides, and looks quite similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It has an all-metal body with dual speakers on the bottom. The dual SIM smartphone will run MIUI 9.5 software based on Android 8.1 Oreo and is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 660 SoC and Adreno 512 GPU. It will come with up to 6GB LPDDR4X dual-channel RAM and up to 128GB internal storage options. Battery capacity of the handset is 3010 mAh with support for Quick Charge 3.0 that allows it to go from nil to 50% in 30 minutes. Connectivity options on the Mi 6X or say the Mi A2 are 4G LTE, dual band Wi-Fi, ABGN AC, Wi-Fi Direct, Miracast, Bluetooth 5.0, IR emitter, USB Type-C port. However, there is no 3.5mm earphone jack this time. Sensors on board include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor. The smartphone measures 7.3mm in thickness and weighs 168 grams. The Mi 6X price has been launched in 3 variants differing with each other in terms of storage and RAM. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option is priced at 1599 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 16,900 rupees, while the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage option costs 1799 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 19,000 rupees. As for the top-end Mi 6X variant with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, the price tag is 1,999 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 21,000 rupees. It comes in 5 color options: red, gold, rose gold, blue and black, and it's set to go on sale in China starting 10 AM local time on Friday, April the 27th. We expect to find out more details about its Mi A2 avatar soon, so be sure to subscribe to us and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our updates. So thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.